Want to show this gonna work?
Yeah, it'll work.
My mom's 50th birthday present that I gave her at 4 o'clock in the morning. I didn't realize what I did till after I did it. And I was wearing this costume I'm about to show you, is a Grim Reaper costume. This is what she is seeing.
My wife Sherry thinks that Nutty is up in the attic. So today we're going to go up and get Nutty down and make Sherry feel a lot better. Hopefully she won't be too surprised. So we'll see.
By making a certain noise.
Oh, gee!